Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I am a very big shopaholic like my mother. So I tend to buy things very easily. Like if I see something, I'll just like there will be no one to stop me. So I just wanted to show you guys what I bought from Zudio and if it's worth the money or not. Okay, first off, we'll start with the clothes. So first of all, we have this white shirt. It doesn't have buttons, but it does have like these hooks. So yeah, I got it. I actually, this was given to me by my mother, and I think it was for 6.99 or 5.99. And to be honest, it is worth the money. It's very like subtle. So, and plus my mom got it, so it's a 10 and 10 for me. Next up, we have a very old flannel jacket. This I got, I think I got this one in during winters, and I wore it like once or twice, and this was for, it was around 500-600. Looks like this. I showed you this in my other video also. So I wouldn't say it's worth it because I wore it only like some 3-4 times, and it's started to get these bobblings, which I'm not a really big fan of. So it's like, it's okayish but not worth it. This used to be my favorite, but since it got all these bobblings, I'll give it a 5 out of 10. I have this sleeveless tee. I think this was for 2.99 or 300, and this I must say that this is a very good purchase. I got this with a pair of trousers which had like black stripes on the side. I'm not able to find it, otherwise I would have shown it to you. That was for 6.99, and both of them, they are very good quality and it's really worth the money. I'd give this a 8 out of 10. Then we have this pink Barbie coated top. This is for 500 rupees and it's really worth the money because I worn it some 1,000 times till today and it's still intact. It's really like, it's my favorite. I'll give this a 9 out of 10. Then I got this. Okay, I don't remember the price, but it was somewhere around 600-700 because I got this when I went to Guwahati and I was with my brother, so that's why I didn't check the price tag. But I don't mean to brag. The point is that I don't remember the price of this. It did get a little bit of loose after wearing for the second and third time, but it's really nice. Like I would say that it's a 6 out of 10. I got this recently, like not even 2 weeks ago. This was for 400 rupees, and it's really good. It's very like, you know, office modern Gen Z vibes. But the only issue is that it used to have a tag here, and then when I was wearing it, it was itching me, so I ripped it out, and there's a hole there now. So I would rate this as 7 out of 10. You are not ready for the next one because I cannot believe that Zudio can sell something like this. It's a t-shirt and it says a pretty mind with a pretty soul. That's not it. It has a cute little bag which says coquette culture. How cute is that? And this is 11 out of 10. I also got this top. It's a cropped top with a heart in it, and I'm wearing it for the second time today. I got this also very recently, like 2 weeks ago, and this is a 10 out of 10. So that was all for the clothes. Now let's come to the other things. I got this dry shampoo. It was for 149. I didn't expect Zudio to sell something this affordable and this good product. I'll give it a 9 out of 10 because this was kept in my drawer for 2 days, and I kept it like this, and when I opened the cap, it had like leaked down a little bit. So I wouldn't say that the packaging is nice, but the product is really nice. I also got this clutch. This came with another clutch. It was brown color, but I broke it and it was for 79 rupees and it's really worth it. Now let's come to lip products. I have so many lip products. These are just some of them and I have some here and there, I don't know where, but these are all that I could find as of now. This I got recently. It's a lip liner. I got it for 100 something. It's really pretty color and it's so creamy. It's almost as creamy as Color Bar. I'll swatch and show it to you. This is the prettiest shade I own. Like, I would buy this again. This is 10 on 10, definitely 10 on 10. This is a very old lip gloss. And it's still there. This was for 149 and this is how it looks. It's very pretty. I'll give it an 8 out of 10 because even though it's nice and even though it's very glossy, it does wear off very quickly. So yeah, I got these two as a pair together. This is for 99 and this is for 149. I have to be honest, the 149 was not that good and there was not much product inside it. This is how it looks. I would not recommend this for 149 rupees. This was very less product, so it's a 3 out of 10. 99 wala, this blew my mind because it's pretty good for 99 rupees, but it does leak. It's still leaking because it had too much product inside of it, I don't know, but it was a really cool shade. I would still use it. It's really pretty, but it leaks a little, so a 7. I got this one with 2 others, like it was in a packet of 149 and the whole packet was very worth it. I would definitely buy this again. This one has like a clear gloss. Nothing special, right? Nothing special. These 3 together. This one is also a lip gloss, but it's a little bit darker. Very cute though. Now this was a lipstick. It's like a matte but still glossy. You see, I feel this is the same as this one. So anyways, my current favorite is this one. It's a lip oil, but it changes color according to the pH level of your lips. How cool is that? I am using it right now. It's so pretty and it's very juicy. But the only thing that I don't like about it is the smell. Like my friends have used it and they say that they like it a lot, like they like the smell. It smells like chocolate to them, but I would recommend this. This is really good. I just don't like the smell of it. Maybe you will like it, and for 149 rupees this is a pretty good deal, so it's a 9.5 out of 10. Now coming over to shoes, these are the first pair of shoes that I got from Zudio. This was for 9.99 and it's really good. Trust me, I have worn it like 5-6 times and it's very easy to wash. It's very comfortable and I would definitely recommend this. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. I also got these heels. It used to be really cute when I bought it, but I wore it like 2 times maybe and the thread started to come out a little bit, but I can chop them off and I can still wear it. But this was for 500 rupees, mostly 500 rupees, and I would definitely recommend you to buy this because it's good. The only problem I face with it is this thing, like when my heel is here, so this comes off very easily while walking, so I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Okay, please don't judge me for this one. I wore it like once and I've still not washed it. It's these denim heels, same. Um, this was actually my mom's. She bought it and then she found it a little uncomfortable, so I got it. But her shoe size is a little bit big for me, so when I wear it, I have to like put some cotton pads or something inside of it so that I can walk properly. But again, the same issue is this thing. Like whenever I walk, this thing comes off. It doesn't matter how far my heel goes, but this just comes off. So again, a 7 out of 10. I do have some more things. I have like lots and lots of things from Zudio, but I am just not able to find it. But I will make another video if you want to see more content like this. So comment and tell me if you want to see some more videos like this so I can make more. Okay, that was all for today. Bye bye.